are going to love the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, cloth seat trim, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, 4-piece floor mat set. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.